Viewers eye to eye with the actors. It's all possible thanks to virtual reality technology. But filming is complex. Each actor must be recreated with a 3D holographic image. After all, you never know which angle viewers will be watching from. Recordings are made in so-called volumetric video studios, like VoluCamp at the Babelsberg Film Park near Berlin.
The actors come in and are filmed, and each detail is automatically recorded without any further steps needed. Every wrinkle in my movements, in my expressions, in my gestures. It captures my every movement.
This volumetric studio is 4 meters high and equipped with 32 high-tech cameras, making it able to film actors from all angles simultaneously. Then special software creates 3D holograms of the characters that can be inserted into any scene.
2 terabytes a minute. That means we're recording an extremely large and complex data set. If you were to copy that onto ordinary CDs, it would take about 3,000 altogether.
Movie makers like Canadian Stéphane Ritouille are now exploring the new possibilities this technology offers. But it's not enough to know how to use it. Producers need to create a new method of storytelling.
How do you deal with a world when people can watch 360 degree, but it's just like in real life, we need to keep the attention center. So the filmmaker is not moving the camera because you are the camera, you're watching whatever you want to watch. But then there is sound, special sound, so we can help directing the interest from the viewer. And depending on the way you behave, you might see or not see something. So you have ways to influence the narrative depending on the behavior of the person in the content.
With a 360-degree panorama, viewers can discover new worlds and take on unusual perspectives, such as that of a toy robot. Seeing the world through his eyes shows us things in a totally new light.
They can explore together new forms of storytelling. So that's where, you know, I don't see VR as like cinematic VR as a reproduction of what cinema does. I think cinema has its own language and its own reason to be. And I think in cinematic VR, we have to explore what it could be. We still don't know what it could be.
3D holograms of actors could become a valuable tool, but picture quality isn't advanced enough to produce full-length feature films yet.
I'm sure it'll make rapid advances and that other production sites will spring up around the world. Right now, there's only a handful of these kinds of studios. But the more there are, the more standards and quality will improve, and then it will make a breakthrough in the market.
Initial projects have already been completed using these new 3D recordings. And by 2019, volumetric studios are expected to be firmly established in the movie industry.